Hey guys, it's me. Hi. 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 Apparently this is a part me stretching. Yep. My cough is getting bad again. But yes, this is another vloggity. This is a whole nother one. It's the same day as the one I uploaded. Either like probably knowing me, like a week later. But yeah. My makeup's good today. My hair was. It's like that, but like this. This is how my hair was. Like seriously? If you're wondering why I'm yelling, it's because I actually had bloopers from this freaking vlog. And the reason why I deleted it was because I wasn't talking loud enough and I wanted to include music in it, like the YouTube tracks. And apparently I talk so softly that the softest of the music they have was too loud. At the lowest volume you can have it. So that was not good. But anyway, if you're wondering why I'm holding this, it's because for lunch, no. For dinner, I had McDonald's and they gave me 2 fries. 2 freaking fries, and I ate all of them. I shoved them down my throat. But and they gave me this, and it's a little plushie. It's a Togame, as you can read apparently, unless you can't read. Isn't that sad? It's sad. But me and my best friend are doing this thing on Valentine's Day, and I just realized this is happening. Not funny. But me and my best friend are doing this thing this Valentine's Day where I am going to get her stuff for Valentine's Day, and she's going to get me stuff because we're both loners. Like seriously, like I was like at her house, like talking to her today on her back patio, and I was like, girl, I am not looking forward to Valentine's Day. My cat is like soaking herself. But I was like, I'm not looking forward to Valentine's Day. She's like, me neither. And I was like, oh my god, we can be loners together. She's like, oh, be my Valentine. I was like, yes. I probably won't add music. But ow, my ankle. We are going to get each other stuff, like a boyfriend would get a girlfriend. But I'm getting her this. I'm giving her that, and then I'm gonna give her some candy, some chocolate, some flowers, and probably some like Glee stuff, like Glee, like the little stickers that you always give out in elementary school. Those. Yeah. I might film with my sister, or was going to, but but God. What? Okay, well. but I was going to film with her, but she doesn't feel like it. So we're probably going to film something tomorrow. But I'm probably going to film like the Cokes or Pepsi one, or things I did in elementary school, things I said in elementary school, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to go do the dishes, and I might see you guys later. Probably not. Peace out, Girl Scouts.